Welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing and checking out the Redmi Pad. This budget-friendly tablet promises a smooth 90 display, Dolby Atmos quad speakers, and a big battery, all at an affordable price. But is it really worth it? Let's find out. Inside the box, we have the Redmi Pad SE itself, some paperwork, a USB-C charging cable, and a 10W charger. That's pretty much it. No fancy extras, just the essentials. First impressions, it feels premium. The bezels are decent, and overall, the design is sleek and minimalistic. Now let's talk about that 11-inch full HD Plus display. Colors are decent, but don't expect a MOLED level vibrancy. Brightness is okay indoors, but under direct sunlight, it could be better. For casual media consumption and studying, it does the job well. One of the highlights is the quad speaker setup with Dolby Atmos support. The sound is surprisingly good for a budget tablet, clear, loud, and immersive. If you love watching movies or YouTube, you'll enjoy the audio experience. Powered by the Snapdragon 680, this tablet handles everyday tasks. Smoothly browsing, streaming, and note-taking are effortless. However, for gaming, it's not the best. Cameras? Well, they're here, but don't expect too much. The 8MP rear and 5MP front cameras are just okay for video calls and scanning documents. If you need a tablet for photography, this isn't it. Packs a massive 8,000 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day of moderate use. However, the 10W charger is slow, taking a few hours to fully charge. A faster charger would have been nice. Who should buy this tablet? If you're a student who needs a device for online classes, note-taking, or casual media consumption, it's a great option. If you need a budget-friendly entertainment device for YouTube, Netflix, or reading, it's worth considering. However, if you need a tablet for gaming or heavy productivity tasks, you might want to look elsewhere. The Redmi Pad SE offers solid value, good display, decent performance, and great speakers. It's not perfect, but for the price, it's hard to complain. What do you think? Let me know in the comments.